Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your The Science Factor book and open your page number 30. Today we are starting unit 4 and our topic name is environment. All animals and plants live in an environment. Do you know what an environment is? Okay, here we are studying about environment. What is an environment? Read it with me. An environment is a space. An environment can be very big. The whole world is an environment. Look at this picture. This is a picture of Earth. All the physical surroundings on Earth are called the environment. The environment includes everything living and everything non-living things, like people, animals, plants, and all other. Living things rely on the non-living things part of the environment to survive. Okay, so this is very big environment. Come to the next page. Here we study an environment can be small. Your classroom is an environment. Okay, look at this picture. The ideal classroom is a positive place. The teacher organizes classroom outgoing, confident, etc. and make positive environment of the classroom. So it is small environment. Changing environments. Environments do not stay the same. They are always changing. In Africa, many of the desert used to be forest. Environment do not the same, it will be changed. Globally, environmental change include climate change, freshwater storage, disaster, etc. For example, in Africa, many of the desert used to be forest. At the passage of time, desert was forest. Now open your page number 32. Keeping my room clean. Look at this picture. Environment consists of air, land, water. It consists of everything you see around like trees, plants, animals, birds, people, etc. We need to keep our environment clean. We need to keep the earth clean. We need to keep our oceans clean. We need to keep our forest clean. Why we should keep our environment clean? It is necessary to keep our environment clean because we get fresh air and reduce pollution, etc. Healthy environment means healthy animal and healthy plants. So healthy environment give us healthy atmosphere. Now look at page number 33. You can start by making sure you keep your room clean at home. You can clean the floor. You can remove dust. You can pick up cloths and other things that are on the floor. Now look at here. Here we have 3 questions. List 5 things from your home environment. Things we do at home environment is use window, fill the gaps, turn off plugs, and do not waste water. Why is it important to have a clean environment? It is necessary to keep our environment clean because we get fresh air and reduce pollution, etc. 3. Question number 3. List 3 things you do to keep your environment clean. We keep our environment clean. Make sure your waste goes to the right place. Compost, recycle. So your homework is read page number 32, 33 very carefully and learn all these questions. Follow SOPs and and keep your environment clean, sanitize your hand, and take care of yourself. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.